Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video. Today we will be looking at how can we clear the cache memory, the extra memory and extra stuff from our computer so that we can make the computer to work smoothly. So there are three ways. The first one, the first step, that what should we do at first? Go to your my computer. Look, this is working a bit slow. It loaded very slow. Go to properties of the drive C or of your Windows drive. Click here on disk cleanup. Remember never to keep any files in the C memory, like in downloads and favorites or anything. If you have downloaded anything, just remove it from there and keep it in another directory like D or F any other directory. I will now select these all and click OK. Delete all these files and clean my dump memory, so that the more your C drive or the Windows drive will be free, the better your computer will work and the faster will be the speed. Click OK. Now I'll show you here what I am going to do. Here, from your keyboard, press Window plus R. First write here this prefetch. Click OK. Give the user permissions. Select all, Control plus A, and then delete. Yes. Look how many dump files we get every day almost, which factors system's performance. Skip them all, which are necessary. Then go here again. Simply type here this, the temp memory. Okay. Again, Control A, delete. Yes. And again, skip this. Continue. And look how many dump files we get every day, which put a pretty much load on our system memory and its performance. And as we can see, in only one day usage, I have got 300 plus files, dump files. Empty cycle bin. Yes. Continue. Skip. Quit. Refresh several times. Now we will load. Look, this time the my computer loaded much times faster than we did before. So this is how you can clear your computer memory in a very effective manner. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like my videos, mention in the comment section if you like the video, if you want to know anything else. I will make that video for you.